Howdy there, folks. This is the Collector 6819 coming back at you with another break. This time I'm doing a 2018 Leaf Heroes of the Game. This is the third box, the second on camera, that I've actually will be opening. So let's get to it. So if you haven't checked out my other break on camera, you should go check that out. And I did a review of the one I didn't open on camera. Check that one out as well. So, here's the box. Taking that out. And, alright. This is, 2018 Heroes of the Game, cut signature Roosevelt Brown, Pro Football Hall of Fame, died 2004. So, there we go. This is from our check. I've never heard the name, but I'll have to Google it to see who he was. So, there you have it. Roosevelt Brown was our cut signature. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.